Guangzhou Tieyi High School is one of the top secondary schools in South China, renowned for its academic excellence and modern campus infrastructure. We at YC Smart are honored to contribute our intelligent lighting system to such a high-standard educational institution. In this project, we deployed our independently developed YC Bus intelligent lighting system, enabling zoned control, smart dimming, and scene switching across classrooms, corridors, and offices, improving energy efficiency while supporting the vision of a smart campus. The system supports multiple control methods including mobile apps, PC software, physical buttons, and touch screens, offering flexible operation and convenient management for various educational environments. Now fully implemented and operating reliably, the project showcases our technical strength in smart lighting for schools. YC Smart, empowering education spaces with intelligent lighting innovation. Follow us for more smart building solutions.